This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the SAT. First, familiarize yourself with the test's format, including the reading, writing, and math sections. Knowing what to expect helps reduce test day anxiety. Next, take a full-length diagnostic test to pinpoint areas needing improvement. This initial assessment guides your study plan. Finally, develop a consistent study schedule, dedicating specific times each week to practice. Consistency is key to building skills and confidence. For the reading section, practice active reading by summarizing passages and identifying the author's purpose. This improves comprehension and speed. In the writing and language section, review common grammar rules, punctuation, and effective sentence construction. Pay attention to transitions and conciseness. For math, revisit core concepts in algebra, geometry, and data analysis. Practice with both calculator and no calculator problems to build proficiency across all question types. Regularly taking full-length practice tests under timed conditions is crucial. This simulates the actual test environment and helps manage your pacing. After each practice test, thoroughly review all your answers, focusing on understanding why you got certain questions wrong. Don't just look at the correct answer, understand the reasoning. Keep a detailed log of challenging questions and concepts to revisit them frequently, ensuring you solidify your understanding. On test day, prioritize getting a good night's sleep and eating a nutritious breakfast. These simple steps significantly impact your focus and energy levels. Arrive at the test center early with your admission ticket, photo ID, and approved calculator. Being prepared reduces stress. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help you stay organized. Stay calm, manage your time wisely, and trust your preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.